Hello friend, are you still doing the smoke testing manually and wasting your time? Let me show you here an amazing free tool already being used by thousands of testers, which will help you to do your smoke testing just in one click, and you get the beautiful report within a fraction of seconds along with the failed test cases, screenshot for them, and everything handy. Let me show you how. This is the one exploratory tester which helps you to do the smoke testing with smart test cases. What it does, just simply you can install it in your browser as in browser extension. You can see here it's already being used by more than 9,000 testers just in 1 month of launch. 5-star rated tool, featured and everything, safe and secure. You just open any website wherever you want to do the testing. Let me just show you guys with some other website, Flipkart and more. So what you have to do, just click on this exploratory tester logo here and see the magic. It will automatically do the testing on that particular page. So you see within fraction of second, like 1.4 second, it has completed 50 test cases, 28 passed, 8 errors, 14 warnings. And here what are the errors? Let's click on this email field validation. You click on this, you see that it is letting us know that email field validation not working. So in this page basically it's not, there's no email validation. If I type ABC, it will accept that. So that's an error, right? That's an issue. So here if you see that screenshot, it is highlighted. If you go back here, if you click on inspect, it will highlight the element in the web page. So this is how you get to know that this particular element is having the issue. Password field, everything, it's letting you know that which particular elements is giving what kind of error. So this is very helpful tool, very easy to use. It has many amazing features. You can download the report in HTML, doc format, PDF, zip. If you see all the test cases which has been passed and failed, which all test cases it used to cover, that you can see here in help doc. All things are there and a lot more things are there in this particular tool. So here this is a very quickly I'm telling you guys what all things it has, how quickly it can do the smoke testing. For detailed tutorial you can check out this. It will be very helpful for you guys. It has amazing setting features and lot more things. You can control which test cases should run, which test cases should not run. It also detect what kind of page that is, what kind of things are there. So it also smartly run the smart test cases as well. Like here on Flipkart website or any website you go, and if you will run this particular tool, it will also cover and test that particular page as well. So you can see that it is running and it is analyzing the page, and here it is giving you the result. So this is very helpful tool, will definitely save a lot of time for you guys, already being used by thousands of testers. You can see, please give it a try and I'm sure you will love this. Do let us know in the comment section what features you like in this particular tool and how much time it can save for you, and please give us a 5-star rating here in Chrome store and share it with others. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.